Welcome to this video about rules and order of operations in OCI network firewall. Today, we'll explore how these crucial components work together to protect your network. Understanding this concept is key to create effective security policies that decide how your network traffic is handled and secured. OCI network firewall uses three main types of rules: decryption rules, security rules, and tunnel inspection rules. Decryption rules. These examine SSL and TLS traffic. They allow us to inspect encrypted content, crucial for thorough security. You can connect to OCI Vault for key management, and options include different SSL modes to balance security and privacy. Security rules. These are the workhorses of your firewall policy. They allow, block, or monitor traffic based on various criteria. You can use conditions like IP addresses, ports, URLs, and more. Security rules can reference the list we discussed on our previous video. You can create complex conditions to fine-tune your security policy. Tunnel inspection rules. These analyze VXLAN traffic. These rules help secure communication between virtual networks. Each rule type serves a specific purpose in your overall security strategy. The OCI network firewall processes traffic in a specific order. Understanding this order is crucial for effective rule creation. First, the firewall checks layer 3 and layer 4 conditions. This includes basic information like source and destination IP addresses and ports. Next, the firewall determines which application is being used. This step is important for application-specific rules. Next, if needed, the firewall decrypts the traffic at this stage. This allows for inspection of the encrypted content in the next steps. Next, the firewall applies the security rules to the traffic. Rules are processed from top to bottom in your policy, and the first matching rule is applied. Finally, if the traffic is tunneled, the tunnel inspection rules are applied. This order ensures comprehensive traffic analysis and security enforcement. When creating rules, keep these best practices in mind. Order matters. Place more specific rules before general one. Use list for efficiency. Leverage IP, application, and service lists for easier management. Regular review. Periodically review and update your rules to maintain security. Test thoroughly. Always test new rules in a non-production environment first. Document your policies. Keep clear documentation of your rule sets and its purposes. Today, we covered the types of rules in OCI network firewall, their order of operations, and best practices for rule creation. By applying these principles, you can create robust, efficient security policies that protect your OCI environment effectively. Thank you for watching and happy secure networking.